take a few moments now to locate your nearest exit. In some cases, your nearest exit may be behind you. If we need to evacuate the aircraft, floor-level lighting will guide you towards the exit. Doors can be opened by moving the handle in the direction of the arrow. Each door is equipped with an inflatable slide, which may also be detached and used as a life raft. Information in the card located in the seat pocket in front of you. We strongly suggest you read it before takeoff. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask one of our crew members. We wish you all an enjoyable flight.
From Emirates 87, due to wind shift.
On runway 28.
SRS auto thrust blue.
Thrust set. knots. V1. Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Nav.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We have reached our cruise altitude and we are scheduled to arrive on time. I wish you all an enjoyable flight.
start our descent, please make sure your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright position. Make sure your seat belt is securely fastened and all carry-on luggage is stowed underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bins. Please turn off all electronic devices until we are safely parked at the gate. Thank you.
Cabin crew, please take your seats for landing.
Flaps 1.
Speed checked flaps 1.
Flaps
Speed
2.
checked flaps 2.
Gear down.
Gear down.
2000.
Flaps 3.
Speed checked flaps 3.
Flaps full.
Speed checked flaps full.
$500. $400. 100 above. $300. Minimum. 200. $100. 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard, left drive.
Spoilers. Reverse green. Decel.
Auto brake off.
70 knots.
meters remaining. $600 remaining.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your destination. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. This will indicate that we have parked at the gate and that it is safe for you.
Airbus Cargo 452S, Sierra 7, hold short of runway 24, taxi Sierra 7. Now the 70, contact 121-905.
121-905, United 70.
Kilo 56, goedemorgen, 5 Zulu, taxi gate, Echo 5.